Hey guys, it's your boy Tjpardy 456 back with a video. And today we are picking mangoes from this mango tree. So let's see if I can catch one. And this is a mango. And you know what time it is? It's mango season, of course. So we're picking these mangoes. So now let's get into this mango picking. Okay guys, now we're gonna pick the mango. Now I'm gonna see if I can catch the mango.
It went off, TJ.
Oh, come on!
It went off, TJ. It went off.
No, that's his fault. Oh my god, oh, that's a nice mango right there. Okay guys, I'm having this for dinner. Okay guys, I got a new strategy. I'll keep the mangoes like this. And let's see if we can get some more mangoes. Let's see if I can catch this mango. Hold it up.
You ready?
And as it goes down.
Wait.
I'm ready. Go. It's slippery.
Butterfingers.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not touching that. Okay, guys. Well, that was wrong. I'm not touching that. But yeah, guys. Oh, okay, guys. I think we forgot a mango. Let me get that. And guys, I want to show you my earnings of my mangoes so far. So let's see those earnings. And I have one more and another one. And these are all the mangoes that we have gotten. Okay, guys, in the comments, let's see if you can count the number of mangoes that are in this.
Come on, look at these right here, TJ.
Oh, guys, we got more content in store for you. Let me give this camera to my cameraman that doesn't get paid. Because you know I can't afford that. Guys, we got even more mangoes. We're rich in mangoes, even though we don't sell them. I'll do the honors. No, wait. Okay, guys, ready? Oh, that was so easy. So easy, guys. Go get that. Okay, guys, next one. Wait. Ready, guys? Oh, guys, this is a nice mango. I might be eating this or
this one.
Good mango. Are these mangoes good?
TJ. Wow.
Guys, if you want to buy them, they're $50 a piece. You know, they make you live 5 years more. They make you live 5 years longer every time you eat one. So you know. No. Look at that.
Yeah. Oh, that one's black. Whoa.
Oh, guys. Wait. Guys, this is a perfectly good mango. Nah. Guys, we're just harvesting over here, getting all of the mangoes. All of the mangoes. Yeah.
Like this?
Look. Oh, no, this is not ripe, guys. This is hard. Woo! Oh, guys, watch me juggle. You know what? I'm done with you. Okay, guys, that's it for now. Peace out, guys.